If you have ever seen this braid before, you would know there is more to it than the regular braiding technique. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Deborah, and in this video we want to look at how this braid is being made. The technique of this braid is different from every other regular technique, starting from the extension.
Deborah, magic comes alive. Every twist, every braid brings beauty to life. From deep to micro, her passion shines so bright. In every strand she touches, there's love in every sight. One's like much web, unity's reborn. Every girl, every style, from dusk till dawn. With a heart full.
You are welcome back to my channel, guys. So like I said, look at the extension being attached to this braid. The way this extension is being made, it is being made on a rope, and the technique for making this extension is different from the regular technique. I'm going to be sharing that soon. You would see it. But the only thing I love about this braid is the fact that you only make your hair first and it's being attached to your hair. This way you are protecting your hair. I would say this braid is another form of protective style, and it is a way you can cover up your hair, especially during harmattan and harsh weathers. This extension is usually being rolled, twisted in a kind of way whenever it is being braided. If it was braided in the normal braiding pattern, it would not be as firm as this. The sharp beginning of this braid of this extension gave it its own kind of uniqueness and made that front come out the way it does. Okay, looking at this braid, you can wear this braid for as long as you want, not having the fear of breakage. Now look at this extension. Can you see the sharp edge I was talking about? Now you're going to see very soon how this extension is being twisted this way to achieve this particular look. Look at that technique. Look at how she rolled her hands. Look at how she rolled that attachment. She rolled it in. If you do not roll the attachment in that way, you will not be able to get this uniqueness in this braid. I hope you have learned something new today, guys. See you in my next commentary video.